Welcome to Arch Zenith. Have you ever walked into a room that looks beautiful, but just doesn't feel good? Maybe there's a faint chemical smell from a new rug, or the air feels stale and static. For too long, we've accepted that good design comes at a cost, not just to our wallets, but to our well-being and the planet's. But what if I told you that the most breathtaking, soul-nourishing homes in 2025 aren't just about aesthetics? They are sanctuaries built on a foundation of responsibility and innovation. Welcome, everyone, to a new era of interior design, where sustainability isn't a compromise. It's the ultimate luxury. Today, we're diving deep into the future of home interiors, and I'm going to share the very best eco-friendly materials you need to know to create a home that's truly healthy, beautiful, and kind to the earth. This isn't just about swapping a plastic bottle for a reusable one. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we curate our personal spaces. In 2025, sustainable design is holistic. It considers the entire life cycle of a product, from how the raw material is harvested, to the energy used in its production, the health of your indoor air quality, and what happens to it at the end of its long, useful life. We're moving beyond just bamboo everything and into a world of scientific breakthroughs and a return to ancient intelligent craftsmanship. So, whether you're doing a full renovation or just looking to make smarter swaps, this guide is for you. We'll break it down into key segments. First, the revolutionary new wave of bio-based materials. Second, the stunning power of reclaimed and circular design. And finally, how to integrate these elements for a truly healthy and biophilic home. Stick around, because the future of your home starts right now. Section 1. The New Guard. Revolutionary, bio-based, and lab-grown materials. Let's start with the real game changers. The materials that sound like they're straight out of a science fiction novel, but are now available for your home. We've all heard of bamboo and cork, and they're still fantastic choices. But 2025 is the year of mycelium and agricultural waste composites. Mycelium is the root structure of mushrooms, and companies are now growing it around agricultural byproducts like corn husks, straw, and even sawdust to create everything from insulating panels and acoustic tiles to stunning, organic-looking lampshades and furniture. Think of it as nature's own polymer. It's grown, not manufactured, requiring minimal energy and actually sequestering carbon in the process. When its life is over, you can literally compost it and return it to the earth. This is a perfect example of a truly circular, zero-waste material that is set to redefine our walls and ceilings. But the innovation doesn't stop with fungi. We're seeing an incredible surge in what I call next-gen bioplastics and polymer innovations. Forget the flimsy, single-use plastics of the past. We're now seeing high-performance, plant-based polymers derived from algae, seaweed, and even fermented plant sugars. These are being used to create everything from durable, translucent light fixtures to beautiful, marbled countertops and textured wall panels. The key trend here is carbon-negative materials. Some of these algae-based products actually absorb more CO2 during their growth cycle than is emitted during their production. Imagine your kitchen countertop actively improving the planet's carbon balance. That's the powerful potential we're unlocking right now. Now, let's talk about surfaces. While traditional terrazzo is a classic, the 2025 version is getting a major eco-upgrade. We're now seeing terrazzo and composite slabs made with over 90% recycled content. This includes post-consumer glass, crushed ceramic waste from factories, and even discarded seashells from the food industry. These materials are not just sustainable, they are incredibly unique and beautiful, offering a confetti-like explosion of color and texture that you simply cannot replicate with virgin materials. Pair this with advances in LOVOC and non-toxic finishes. Think plant-based oils, waxes, and clay paints that actively purify your indoor air instead of polluting it. And you have a recipe for surfaces that are safe for your family and the environment. So, why are these materials so crucial for the 2025 home? It's because they represent a shift from less bad to more good. We're no longer just trying to reduce our harm. We're actively using design as a force for regeneration. By choosing a mycelium pendant light or an algae-based resin table, you're not just buying a product, you're investing in a technology that supports a healthier ecosystem. This is the cutting edge of sustainable home decor, and it's where design meets profound environmental responsibility. These materials are the new classics in the making. Section 2. the soul of sustainability, reclaimed, circular and timeless design. While we look to the future, we must also honor the past. The single most sustainable material is the one that already exists. This is why circular interior design is the dominant philosophy for 2025. It's a mindset that moves away from the linear take-make-waste model and embraces a closed loop. And the heart of this movement is the powerful beauty of reclaimed and vintage materials. A floor made from century-old barnwood isn't just a floor, it's a narrative. A table crafted from a salvaged industrial beam carries a history and a character that no new, mass-produced piece can ever hope to achieve. This is design with a story, and it brings an irreplaceable soul into your space. Let's break down the practical magic of reclaimed wood. Beyond its undeniable aesthetic warmth, using reclaimed timber means zero new trees are cut down for your project. It prevents valuable resources from ending up in landfills and saves the massive amount of energy required to process virgin lumber. But the circular economy extends far beyond wood. Get creative. Look for tiles made from recycled ceramics, glass countertops created from old bottles, and textiles woven from regenerated nylon and polyester, often sourced from ocean waste. The key search term you'll be hearing everywhere is upcycled home ideas. This isn't just DIY crafts. It's a high design principle where architects and designers are sourcing entire material palettes from demolition sites and industrial waste streams. This leads me to a critical and often overlooked aspect of sustainable design: longevity and emotional durability. The most eco-friendly sofa is the one you love, cherish, and keep for 30 years. In 2025, we are rejecting fast furniture. Instead, we are investing in timeless pieces, classic silhouettes, and heirloom quality. Look for furniture companies that offer robust repair services, replaceable components, and use natural, repairable materials like solid wood and high-quality, natural upholstery. So, how do you implement this? Start by thinking of yourself as a curator, not just a consumer. Before you buy anything new, explore local architectural salvage yards, seek out vintage dealers, and support small-scale artisans who transform discarded materials into art. When you do buy new, prioritize brands that are transparent about their supply chain and have take-back programs for their products at the end of life. This holistic approach ensures that your home isn't just a collection of green products, but a functioning ecosystem in itself. It's a space that respects resources, honors craftsmanship, and is built to last for generations. Section 3. The holistic habitat, weaving it all together for a healthy home. Now that we've explored the materials, let's talk about the most important part, you. A truly sustainable home must also be a healthy habitat for its inhabitants. This is where the concept of biophilic design becomes non-negotiable in 2025. It's the science of connecting our innate need to be close to nature with our interior environments. And the materials we choose are the primary conduit for this connection. It's not just about adding a few plants, though that's a great start. It's about using materials that engage all our senses in a natural, calming way. Think of the tactile pleasure of running your hand over a wall finished in natural clay plaster. Unlike standard paint, clay plaster is breathable, actively regulating humidity in your home to prevent mold and mildew. It comes in a gorgeous, earthy palette of colors straight from the ground, and its subtle, variegated texture adds a depth and warmth that flat paint simply cannot. Then, consider your tactile contact points: the linen on your sofa, the jute rug under your feet, the sheer cotton curtains filtering the afternoon sun. These natural fiber textiles are not just biodegradable, they are hygroscopic, they feel soft and alive, and they don't off-gas the harmful chemicals found in many synthetic fabrics. This is the essence of a healthy home. Let's talk about the air you breathe. Indoor air quality is a massive concern, and your material choices are your first line of defense. This is the power of low VOC living. We mentioned finishes earlier, but this extends to everything. Choose solid wood furniture with a natural oil finish instead of particle board sealed with plastic laminate. Opt for wool or natural latex mattresses instead of polyurethane foam. Select carpets made from wool, seagrass, or recycled PET bottles instead of synthetic nylon. Every one of these choices reduces the toxic load in your home, creating a cleaner, safer environment for you and your family, especially for those with allergies or chemical sensitivities. Finally, bring it all together with light and life. Maximize natural light to reduce energy consumption and sync your circadian rhythm. Use mirrors strategically to bounce light deep into your space. And of course, integrate living plants. They are the ultimate multitasking, sustainable accessory. They purify air, boost your mood, and add a dynamic, living element to your decor. When you combine these principles, the breathability of clay walls, the non-toxic nature of natural materials, the abundance of plants and light, you create more than just a green home. You create a wellness interior, a sanctuary that actively contributes to your physical and mental well-being. This is the ultimate goal of sustainable design in 2025. A beautiful, functional home that cares for the planet and nurtures you in return. So, there you have it. A roadmap to designing a sustainable home interior that is forward-thinking, deeply personal, and profoundly positive. From the lab-grown wonders of mycelium to the timeless stories held in reclaimed wood, the options are more exciting and accessible than ever before. Remember, sustainability is a journey, not a destination. Every conscious choice, every material selected with purpose, adds up to create a significant impact. Don't feel like you have to do it all at once. Start with one room. Swap out those synthetic curtains for linen. Choose a piece of furniture made from salvaged wood. Paint your bedroom with a beautiful, air-purifying clay paint. Your home is your most personal ecosystem. Make it one that you can feel truly good about, now and for the future. Thank you so much for watching. If this inspired you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more content on conscious living and modern design. And let me know in the comments, which eco-friendly material are you most excited to try in your home? Until next time, design thoughtfully, live sustainably.